Hi boys and girls, welcome to Foundations, week 3, day 4. Let's get started. Alright, let's warm up with some drill sounds. Alright, echo. T, ta, t. B, ba, b. F, fun. M, man, N, nut, I, itch, U, up, Awesome, now it's time for the standard card sounds. Let's start with the vowels. I, itch, U, up, B, bat, b. F, fun, M, man, N, nut, T, tap, t. Alright, it's time for our vowel extensions. Remember, the 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. But we're only focusing on I and U right now. Let's stretch out the I sound. Let's extend the I. I, itch. I, itch. I, itch. U, up. U, up. U, up. Okay, boys and girls, it is now time to put words together to make a sentence. So, I want to make a sentence here. I want to say, Jamal has 2 dogs. So, I started out with this sentence word frame because every sentence starts with an uppercase letter. So, my Jamal has 2 dogs. Jamal has 2 dogs. So my first word is Jamal. So I'm going to type Jamal. My next word, Jamal has t, 2 dogs. Now every sentence ends with a period. Jamal has 2 dogs. Okay, now this is the word Jamal, this is the word has, this is the word 2, this is the word dogs. Now notice I leave a little space in between words. Every writer does that, and that helps the reader know where the word stops and the next word starts. Because if you had them all bunched together, it would be really hard to read. So I want to write I have 1 dog. So I'm going to take the S off dog. I'm going to erase Jamal. I'm going to write I have 1 dog. I have 1 dog. Hey, good job. Do you have a pet? Okay, boys and girls, it's now time to practice writing the letters I and U. Let's start with I. When you start at I, it's a plain line letter. It starts at the plain line, goes down to the grass line, lift and dot. I, itch, is. You do it again. Start at the plain line, go straight down to the grass line, lift and dot. I, itch, is. One more time. Start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, lift and dot. I, H, is. All right, now let's do the letter U. U is a plain line letter. You start at the skyline. You start at the plain line. You go down to the grass line, curve back up to the plain line, straight down to the grass line. U, up, let's try it again. Start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, curve back up to the plain line, straight down to the grass line. U, up, one more time. Start at the skyline. I did it again. You start at the plain line. You go down to the grass line. Curve back up to the plain line. Straight down to the grass line. U, up, Okay, boys and girls, now it's time to review some of the letters we've already learned. I'm going to say the sound, and you repeat the sound, and then write the letter that makes that sound on the board. Okay, ready? Okay, what letter do you think it is? The key word is top, and it's a skyline letter. That's right. It is a T. T. Top. T. Okay. Let's do What do you think it is? It's a plain line letter. The key word is man. Start at the plain line. You go down to the grass line. Trace back up to the plain line. Hump to the grass line. Trace back up to the plain line and do another hump to the grass line. M, man, Okay, one more. Let's do B. B. The key word is bat, and it's a skyline letter. It's B. You go straight to the grass line, trace back up to the plain line, and make it B, a belly. B, B, bat, B. All right, guys. Great job on that game. All right, boys and girls, we finished with our lesson for the day. Remember, we're going over the letters I, H, I, and U, Both are vowels, so we do vowel extensions with them to stretch out the sound they make. I and U are plain line letters, just like N and M. T, B, and F are skyline letters. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.